Now, as the trading week winds down right behind me here at the New York Stock Exchange, investors across the globe are all wondering if we are going to see a bit of a holiday surge, a Santa Claus rally, as is with the week ahead abbreviated because of Christmas. Yes, Christmas is almost here. I hope all of you guys, boys, girls, and hopefully Santa will be good to you on Wednesday morning. And speaking of being good, despite a bit of a boost on Friday, the markets have been far from good this past week. A tough week for the Dow Jones in particular, which saw the index plunge by more than 1,100 points in one single day, and the extension and completion of its longest losing streak since the 1970s. That's 10 straight days of losses. However, a slight bump on the upside Thursday and strength on Friday has offered some hope, a glimmer of positivity, and the question now is, in abbreviated trade, will we see a reversal of fortunes, and will the markets be celebratory and festive with gains across the board, or will the markets be filled with coal and upset investors? You know what? Let's jump right into it and take a look at what will likely move the markets in the week ahead. Now, on Monday, we kick off in the UK with British third quarter GDP in focus. Expectation 0.1% quarter over quarter, 1% year over year. That will then be followed by both 3-month and 6-month bill auctions right here in the US. Tuesday keeps us in the US with November durable goods orders on the docket. Expectations 0.4%. It's also Christmas Eve. Keep that in mind because that means on Wednesday, a majority of the markets are closed for the Christmas Day holiday. Merry Christmas, everyone. Then on Thursday, the holidays extend for some with Boxing Day and St. Stephen's Day throughout Europe, keeping several of those countries in a holiday spirit. While here in the U.S., the markets return to action. Initial and continuing jobless claims figures are due out, and we end the week on Friday in Japan. Japanese unemployment figures for the month of November due out. Expectations 2.5%. And finally, keep an eye on more corporate updates, especially in the retail sector, which continue to move the markets in both directions, as well as geopolitics. The Trump transition team is still continuing to make moves less than 1 month before he takes office here in the U.S. And until next week, reporting live from the New York Stock Exchange, wishing you all a great holiday season ahead, I'm James Smith.